In this video, we're going to look at modifying our helmet and the visor with a hole so that we can add a joint so that the visor can actually have rotation. So let's get started. We're going to create a sketch. Now I want to select this plane, which goes down the middle of my helmet from front to back. What we're going to do is create a circle, center diameter, right in this area right here. And let's make it 0.25. And we're going to say right mouse button OK. Now I'm going to stop that. We're going to grab this circle and we are going to extrude this way. So if I pull this out, notice it turned red. And what it does, it automatically starts a cut operation if that's what you desire. And that is what we desire. And we're going to say symmetric so that it happens on both sides. If I can also say join, and it'll join it in there. I can create a new body if that needs to be a rod, but what we want it to do is we actually want it to cut a hole. Alright, so let's turn our canvas images off. There we go. Alright, now we're going to go joint. Now it says no components exist in this design. What does that mean? Well, right now all we have is bodies. So to fix that, what we can do is right mouse button, create a component, and what that does is creates a component. You must have a component in order to use the assemblies. Let's do the same with the visor. Create components, visor. So now watch what happens when we go back to the joint command. Now we can access it. So my first joint, I want it to be this face right here, and this face right here. Now it's moving it right on top. Watch what we do. We can say offset 0.25. Okay, that moved it in. What happens if we flip it? No, we don't want to flip it. How about minus? There we go. Now, right now, it's rigid. Watch what happens when we say revolute. Now I can grab this, bring it up like so, and say OK. Or we can say if we drive the joint was the right command, I can change that rotation. Okay. We've come a long ways with our helmet here. So let's look at what it takes to create a nice rendering of this, and we will cover that in our next video.